First, let's identify what the question is asking for. The question is asking for the equation of the parabola in the graph. Let us recall the equation for a parabola. The equation for a parabola varies. It can either be x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k, and that will give you a parabola that is either facing upward or downward. It can also be y minus k squared equals 4p times x minus h, which will give you a parabola that is facing either to the left or to the right. Here we know our parabola is facing downward, so we need the equation which gives us a parabola that faces up or down. Now that we know which equation to use, let's see if we can cancel out any of our answers. Here we see that A is using the correct equation, so for now it is correct. B is not using the correct equation, so we know that we can eliminate it now. C is using the correct equation, so we know that for now it is correct. And D is also using the correct equation. Now let's identify the vertex. The vertex is going to be h, k. H is going to represent the x value and k is going to represent the y value. On our graph, we can find that the vertex is located right about here, which gives us points -2, 3. Let us review our answers again and see which equations do not have -2 and 3 as h and k respectively. As we see in A, -2 and 3 both represent h and k respectively, so A is still correct. In letter C, we see that 3 is h and -2 is k, which is incorrect. Therefore, we can eliminate letter C. In D, we see that -3 is h and -2 is k, which is still incorrect. This means that A is the correct answer because it not only gives us the proper equation, but it also has -2 and 3 representing h and k correctly and respectively.